So hello guys, in today's video I will guide you with how you can download Fortnite on Android. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your phone. Now here search for Fortnite. Now tap on this first link. Now here tap on install. Tap on download now. Now you will see this window. Tap on download anyway. Tap on open. Now this will ask you to install Epic Games. Tap on install. Now wait until the app is installed. Once the app is installed, open the app drawer. Now here tap on Epic Games. Tap on get started. And now log into your account. Tap on continue. Now after this, tap on the search bar. Now here search for Fortnite. Now this is the app. Tap on install. Now tap on allow. After this, tap on continue. And now this will start downloading Fortnite on your phone. Once the game is downloaded, you will be able to play it. So this is how you can download Fortnite on Android. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video. And for more such videos, subscribe this channel.